everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a complete guide on how to play Butterfly. We have already made 4 other tutorials in the channel, and if you are interested in any of them, you can go and check them out. And if you have any request for what other tutorials I should make next, you can leave it down in the comments below and surely I will make them for you. And if you enjoy watching videos like this, or if you found it useful, make sure to support me by hitting the like and subscribe button. A huge thanks to all the new subscribers. We have received 54 subscribers in the last 28 days and it's a very great progress for me. So thank you all for all your love and support. Now without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Whenever Butterfly kills an enemy hero, she gains 2 stacks. And whenever she kills a minion or a creep, she gains 1 stack. And when she is at 3 stacks, if she uses any of the abilities, it doesn't require any cooldown, so basically she can use the ability 2 times in a row. So it is best if you have all the 3 stacks before engaging in a team fight, because you can use any of the abilities 2 times. Butterfly swings her sword around, dealing damage while also increasing her movement speed. This ability also has a passive, and that is, the more enemies you hit, the more damage you deal. So for example, if you hit more than one enemy, for each enemy you hit, you get 25% more damage. Butterfly throws her sword, dealing physical damage to all the enemies in the path, and the first enemy that gets hit by the sword takes 150% damage while also getting their movement speed reduced by 50% for 1.5 seconds. Hitting an enemy also increases her attack speed by 30% and critical chance by 10%. You can stack this 2 times, so if you are at 3 stacks, you can use S2 2 times in a row and it will basically give you 60% attack speed and 20% critical chance. You should also note that you can only stack it 2 times. Butterfly's ultimate is a bit more complicated than her other abilities. Butterfly jumps behind the target and deals physical damage while also placing a blue color mark on the enemy. This mark lasts for 3 seconds, and above the HP bar of Butterfly you can see a line going down slowly indicating how long the mark will stay. If Butterfly uses her ult on an enemy whom she has already marked, she deals true damage equal to 12% of the last HP of the target. Using normal attacks on a hero who has been marked by her ult reduces the cooldown of her first and second ability by 1 second for every normal attack. As you can see here, I use my S1 and S2 and they go into cooldown, and then I ult Chagnar, and after that each of my normal attacks reduces the cooldown of my S1 and S2 by 1 second, bringing them back instantly. 35% of the damage that Butterfly dealt to the enemy during the 3-second mark gets converted into HP and she heals herself. As you can see here, I place a mark on Chagnar using my ult, and 35% of the damage that I dealt during the 3-second period gets converted into my HP at the end of it. If Butterfly manages to kill the enemy, the minion or the creep whom she has ulted and placed a mark on within the 3 seconds, she will get her ult back instantly. So if I use my ult on this minion right before it dies, see, I get my ult back instantly. And failing to kill the minion in 3 seconds does not give my ult back, and it's at 11-second cooldown. So as you can see here, I ult on the Thane, and if I kill him before the blue color mark goes away, I get my ult back again. So this is the Arcana that I use for Butterfly. It's Onslaught, Assassinate and Skewer, and it's going to be full AD. As for equipment also, we are going to go full AD, because the more AD we have, the more shield we get from her S1 and the more lifesteal we get from her ult. And for enchantment, we are going to be using Curse of Death, which deals additional damage. So as you can see here, her Arcana, enchantment and equipment is all based on attack damage. She is a very aggressive assassin and is also one of the best assassins in the game. Now I'll give you a few tips on how to play butterfly. Try your best to farm as much as possible and try not to engage too deep in the early game. So if your team doesn't support you or if they don't back you up, you might get caught and die. And if you lose in the early game, it's very bad for butterfly because she is very strong in the early game, and in the late game she is not that powerful. Always try to engage with your ult and then follow it up with S1 or S2 and pair it up with some normal attacks, and if one target dies within the first 3 seconds, like I told you before, her ult gets reset immediately and you can jump to the next person. So you can keep doing this, and when you're in the middle of a team fight, all you have to do is press all the buttons that are available. Just keep spamming all the abilities and you will get a lot of success with butterfly. And that's it for the video, guys. So if you found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.